Hi guys! Welcome back to Dub Chinese. 我係你老師 Gloria. If you are a Cantonese beginner, please click the like button quickly because this video is made for you. And if you are an intermediate learner, please don't close this window quickly. Let's review it, okay? Before, I have already made 2 videos about basic verbs and adjectives. Today, let's learn some basic nouns. Number 1, 廁所, 廁所. Yeah, 廁所 is a very important noun, right? We always ask, where is the toilet? 邊度有廁所啊? 邊度有廁所啊? 邊度 where 有 have 廁所 廁所 It literally means where have the toilet? 邊度有廁所啊? Or you could say 廁所喺邊度啊? 廁所喺邊度啊? Where is the toilet? Number 2,
學校學校
I know there is lots of people they like to study in China, so maybe they want to say 學校. For example, 我哋學校有500個人. 我哋學校有500個人. 我哋 our. Here we could omit 嘅. 我哋嘅學校有500個人 Or we could say 我哋學校有500個人有 have 500個500 人 people 我哋學校有500個人 There are 500 people in our school. Number 3, 公司 office. For example, right now, if I'm calling you, you say, I'm still in the office. 我仲喺公司啊. 我仲喺公司啊. I 仲 still 喺 at 公司 office company. 我仲喺公司啊. I'm still at the office. Number 4, let's talk about some transportation. One important one is 車 is the whole name for lots of car. Actually, we have lots of car. Like private car is 私家車 or 單車 bicycle. 我唔識揸車 I 唔識 don't know 揸 that is the motion of 揸車 drive a car. 我唔識揸車 I don't know how to drive a car. That's true. Number 5, 地鐵 subway, underground. If you take subway or underground to work, you could say 我每日搭地鐵返工 我每日搭地鐵返工 I 每日 every day 搭 it means take 地鐵 subway underground 返工 go to work 我每日搭地鐵返工 I take a subway to work every day. Number 6, so maybe bus is your best choice. That is 巴士 So what about the bus station? Is 巴士站 station. According to what we learned just now, you could also say subway station as 地鐵站 subway station. Normally, I would take like 10 minutes when I wait for a bus. So how about you? How long will you take a bus in your country? I'm always late. So if my friends ask me, where are you, Gloria? So I might tell them that 我喺巴士站等緊巴士 我喺巴士站等緊巴士 I 喺 at 巴士站 bus station or bus stop 等 wait 緊
present continuous tense
巴士 bus 我喺巴士站等緊巴士啊 I'm waiting a bus at the bus stop, but actually I'm not. Maybe I'm still at home. Number 7, 機場 it means 飛機 airplane 場 field 機場 airport. If you're on taxi and you're in a rush, you could tell the taxi driver 我8點前要去到機場我8點前要去到機場I 8點 8 o'clock 前 before 要 have to must 去到 reach arrive 機場 airport 我8點前要去到機場 I need to reach to the airport before 8. Number 8, let's talk about some food. 生果 fruits. So we could say 今日啲生果好新鮮啊今日啲生果好新鮮啊今日 today 啲 these 生果 fruits 好新鮮好 very 新鮮 fresh 今日啲生果好新鮮啊 The fruits are fresh today. Number 9, 雞 is a very important food for us. So they will say 無雞不成宴. It means that if
There's no chicken, there is no banquet.
and we always cook the chicken soup. 煲雞湯 cook chicken soup. Tonight, my mom cooked the chicken soup. I would like to say 阿媽今晚煲咗雞湯阿媽今晚煲咗雞湯阿媽忙 or 今晚 tonight 煲咗 cooked 雞湯 chicken soup 阿媽今晚煲咗雞湯 Mom cooked the chicken soup tonight. Number 10, let's talk about some beverage. Number 10, 啤酒 beer. I know that you guys love drink beer a lot. So if you go to bar and the other day you can tell your friends that 我尋晚飲咗半打啤酒啊我尋晚飲咗半打啤酒啊I 尋晚 last night 飲 drink 咗 past tense 半打 a dozen is 一打 so 半打 is 6 pack 半打 half dozen 我尋晚飲咗半打啤酒啊 I drank 6 pack beers last night. Could you follow me? How about let's take a break and watch my advertisement to promote my Jyutping material. Jyutping learning material is on sale now. It's only $3 now. It includes 60 flashcards about Jyutping and over 300 common words with picture to practice it. And I will pronounce it for you. Check the information below and DM me. And follow me here, support me there. Number 11, water. 水 For the people who don't like to drink beer, so we can order water. So we could say 唔該俾杯水我啊唔該俾杯水我啊唔該 excuse me 俾 give 杯 cup as the measure word for cup 水 water 我 me 唔該俾杯水我啊 excuse me please give me a cup of water. Number 12. Very important things is 錢 money. So if you forget to bring your money, so you could say 我冇帶錢啊我冇 didn't 帶 it means take bring 錢 money 我冇帶錢啊 I didn't bring money. Number 13, some clothes. Summer is coming, there is lots of pretty dress. For me, I really want to buy some new clothes. So I could say, 我想買新衫啊我想 want 買 buy 新 new 衫 clothes 我想買新衫啊 I want to buy some new clothes. Let's talk about some electronic device. 電視 TV 我成日喺屋企睇電視我成日喺屋企睇電視I 成日 the whole day 喺屋企at home 睇電視 watch TV 我成日喺屋企睇電視 I always watch TV at home. Number 15 電腦 No, it means brain. 電腦 is computer. It's including laptop is 手提電腦 No, 手提 it means portable. 手提電腦 laptop. So we could just call them as computer. So I know you guys always ask Gloria why you not post your video quickly. That's because 我部電腦好慢啊部 is the measure word for most electronic device. 電腦 computer 好 very 慢 slow 我部電腦好慢啊 My computer is very slow. Number 16 手提電話 or 電話 or 手機 All of them means phone. But 電話 before is this one. The old-fashioned phone is 電話. For portable phone, cell phone is 手提電話 or 手機. Do you hate those people that will go out with you and then they keep to play their phones? Okay, then you could tell them 唔好成日撳電話啦，唔好成日撳電話啦，唔好 don't 成日 all the time 撳 literally means like the press. We have like 撳機 we store the money from ATM with 撳機 press 撳電話 play phone 唔好成日撳電話啦，唔好成日撳電話啦 Don't always play your phones. Number 14 let's talk about some people. Very important one is 屋企人屋企 is home 人 people 屋企人 family. I would like to say 我同我屋企人一齊住我同我屋企人一齊住I 同 and with 屋企人 families 一齊 together 住 live 我同我屋企人一齊住 I live with my families. Here be cautious that I know lots of people they learn Mandarin first or you learn from the book, then maybe you will say 家人 family. Yeah, 家人 is in written language. For spoken Cantonese, it should be 屋企人. Number 18, 老師. Lots of people they learns with me like several times but they still don't know how to call me. I'm Gloria. You could call me Gloria 老師 or you could call me my family name. 老師 If I talk really fast, you could say 老師可唔可以再講多一次啊？老師可唔可以再講多一次啊？老師 teacher 可唔可以 could or not 再 again 講 say talk 多 more 一次 time. Teacher, could you say one more time? Number 19 醫生 doctor. That one is very important. Sometimes we feel unwell, so we could say 我今日有啲唔舒服啊，我要去睇醫生。我今日有啲唔舒服啊，我要去睇醫生。I 今日 today 有啲 a little bit 唔舒服 uncomfortable。you must need have to 睇 see 醫生 doctor 我今日有啲唔舒服啊，我要去睇醫生。I feel a little bit unwell today. I need to see a doctor. Number 20, I know lots of people they have their own pet. Yeah, I would like to have one. So which one do you like? 狗仔 狗仔 dog or 貓仔 cat. So 狗 is dog, 貓 is cat, but normally we will add 仔 a little more. So there is a question for you guys. 你鍾意貓仔定係狗仔啊？你鍾意貓仔定係狗仔啊？你 you 鍾意 like 貓仔 cat little cat 定係 or 狗仔 the dog 你鍾意貓仔定係狗仔啊？Leave me a comment and tell me your answer. So that is what we learned today. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumb up. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Chinese with Gloria, and follow me on this all social media. If you want to support me, you could go to my Patreon page and buy me a bubble tea. And also you could buy my Jyutping material. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.